Manipur's Senapati district is grappling with the aftermath of a fierce hailstorm that ravaged remote villages, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The tempestuous weather, characterized by heavy rain and large hailstones, wreaked havoc on homes and agricultural lands, displacing families and disrupting livelihoods. From the far-flung corners of Lai Circle to the serene landscapes of Chiang Mai Kulin and Paumata, no area was spared from the wrath of storm. Reports from affected regions depict scenes of roofs ripped off, walls demolished, and crops devastated by the relentless onslaught of nature. In Lai village, one of the hardest hit areas, hundreds of homes lie in ruins, leaving residents to grapple with the daunting task of rebuilding their lives. Similarly, in Taka village and Wilong Kuno, the once thriving communities now stand amidst the debris of their shattered homes. Sangkunglong village too bears the scars of storm, with homes crumbling under the weight of hailstorms and fierce winds. Even in Mao, nestled amidst picturesque hills, houses tremble as crops wilted under the force of nature's fury. Along the Imphal-Dimapur National Highway 2, a major lifeline for the region, commuters faced a harrowing journey as they navigated through a deluge of hailstones, their villages battered and bruised by the relentless onslaught. Despite the widespread devastation, there have been no reports of human casualties or injuries, underscoring the resilience of local populations in the face of adversity. As affected communities come to the terms with the scale of damage, they are relying together, supported by local authorities, to seek assistance. They are turning to the district administration and the Manipur government for urgent relief measures to help rebuild their shattered lives.
还有什么？那想说的，那想说的，这还有的是，说还有那些什么一些外嘛，别还有，你说是不会差，你要写啥？看，咦，你这个。